Happy Wednesday afternoon, mid-Missouri. We're tracking a few different things that are going to cause some changes for us across the board as we head toward Thursday. Here's a look at satellite and radar. You'll notice things in the Midwest are pretty calm, a little system off to our northeast, but what you don't see is a cold front that's going to be starting to push toward mid-Missouri, and that's ultimately going to be bringing us a lot of changes. We're going to warm up until that cooler air settles in behind, but once that cold front pushes into mid-Missouri, we're going to be seeing a lot of chances for rainfall, anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of accumulation. Now, it's going to be pretty windy ahead of this system, and we'll be seeing that today, and we might start seeing some cloud cover as we continue on through the afternoon, but this is really where things start to get dicey, is Thursday morning. So listen up. Tomorrow morning, first round of storms going to be pushing through around 8 a.m. here. You can see our northern counties starting to get hit by those storms. That'll continue to push through the area, and we could see a brief break on the back end of that first round. But what happens in the afternoon is going to be largely dependent on what happens in the morning. It does look like we're going to be seeing some redevelopment of storms in the afternoon for Thursday. It could be potentially another round of some stronger storms. Unfortunately, again, we're looking at least one round of stronger storms. We just need to decide if it's going to be in the morning or the afternoon. That's up to Mother Nature, but we'll continue tracking it, of course, and we'll kind of update you as we head through the day tomorrow. But we're not done there. Overnight into Friday morning, another round as this cold front slowly pushes through mid-Missouri. It's going to be bringing another chance for some more widespread rain and storms. Now, this Friday round is a little bit murkier. We're not quite sure how it's going to shape up because, again, it all depends on Thursday and how the first and second rounds play out. But right now, guidance is suggesting that during the morning commute on Friday, we could be dealing with some pretty gusty conditions and stronger storms. Be with us throughout most of the day. That cold front will hold off to our south for the weekend, but it'll continue stirring up rain chances. Unfortunately, it's looking like for both Saturday and Sunday. Severe threats for tomorrow's rounds of storms. Going to be gusty conditions yet again, like what we saw this past weekend. And then we could be seeing some flooding as well. You saw just a few minutes ago that we're going to be seeing a lot of rainfall within the next few days. Now, our concerns with hail and tornado risks are not fantastic. Hail is a little bit better chance, but quite honestly, winds are going to be our biggest concern, followed very closely with that flooding. So stick with us. We'll be here tracking it. There's kind of a lot to break down here between several rounds of storms and rain over the next few days. Keep an eye to the sky and maybe incorporate a few extra minutes or try to avoid being outside during these storms tomorrow morning if you can. Just make sure you're keeping yourself and your family safe.